Continuing on from the previous video, we placed some house corners using swing ties from the property lines, and we noticed that we made one mistake in the calculation of point number 8, the house corner, and we need to edit that. So if I just load the control dialog, and if I click into edit, it loads up this dialog box where we can see all the information that is currently stored in the batch file. And if we go find the line record of where the mistake was made, which would have been this distance calculation, and it should have been from not from 0.6, but it should have been from 0.5. So I'll just edit that. And we also noticed that the first bearing line, we noticed that it wasn't actually supposed to be in the first quadrant 0 degrees, but first quadrant 10 degrees. So we can also edit that so that it reflects those changes in the file. And if we just save the file and just exit out of here, and we want to say yes to save changes. So you can see that although I have edited the file, the changes have not been applied yet. So to apply those changes from the file that we just resaved, if we hit run, and since we have point protection on, it'll just let us know that the points are moving since we have made some changes. So I'm just going to turn point protection off, and I'm just going to hit overwrite. And it looks like I have made a mistake. So my bearing for 1 to 2 has not been updated to 10 degrees, and my house corner that did move, but it doesn't look like it's in the right place. So if we just go back into edit, and remember for point number 8 there, we did specify it to measure from the right point, but it isn't a counterclockwise solution. So if we change this to counterclockwise, or clockwise, sorry, and I'll just make sure to have this bearing changed. So first quadrant and 10 degrees from point 1. And now if I just exit and save changes, we should now see point number 8 be moved to its correct location over here, and the bearing of 1 to 2 should change from 0 degrees to 10 degrees. So now if I hit run, should reprocess and reflect those changes. And as you can see, after I've hit run, it has reprocessed the file, and it has made the necessary changes to reflect what the file information has stored. So now, after reviewing this video, you should now be able to find where the active batch COGO command is located, how to set up a batch file, and how you can edit and reprocess the file to reflect any changes or errors that you have made while you are producing this file. Thanks for taking interest in this video, and I hope this helps.